So this is the question. Simplify this, and we have to substitute the value x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2 in this equation. So first we have to do the simplification for this. So it will be simplified as, see here, 3x, I'm writing it again, 4x minus 5 plus 3. So 3x has to be multiplied with both these terms. Okay, so 3x into 4x, that is 3 4s are 12, x into x is x square. Okay, and then 3x into 5, so it's going to be minus 15x. Okay,
Sir,
plus 3. So that 3 is separate, 3 is a different term. We don't have to multiply this 3x with this 3 because in between we have, it's not a part of this bracket. It's not a part of this bracket. Okay, so that will be separate. So this is the simplification.
sir,
Yeah, tell me.
x is equal to 3 मतलब उसका
सर वो
वैल्यू निकालना
x is equal to 1 by 2 है क्या?
Yes, yes. So now we have to substitute the first one, x equal to 3, in this equation, the simplified equation. In the simplified equation, we have to substitute that. That is 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So in this, if we substitute, in place of x, we have to write 3.
सर 3 स्क्वायर मतलब 6 आएगा ना
No, 3 square is 9. 3 into 3.
सर 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 नहीं करना
Nahi. 3 square means anything square means that number has to be multiplied by itself. That 2 is the number of times you have to multiply. It represents the number of times the number has to be multiplied by itself. For example, if you have 3 power 4, which means we have to multiply 3 4 times. So here what we'll get? 12 nines are 108 minus 15 threes are 45 plus 3. So what is it? So now add the like terms. So like terms are 108 and 3. Both have the same sign. So that will be 111 minus 45. So if we subtract, now unlike terms, both have become unlike terms. This is plus, this is minus. So we have to subtract. Okay. Subtract, after subtracting, we'll get 66. But that will be positive because greater number sign is plus. Okay.
yes
Yes.
Here itself I'm doing the second sum also. So in second
सर
sum,
एक बार
12.
पिछले वाला पेज दिखाइए.
1 minute, let me write this. Yeah, see this. So now in this second question, now in place of x, what we should write? 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So 12. 1 by 2 the whole square it is given. That means 1 has to be squared. That is 1 square is 1 only. 1 ones are 1. 2 square is 2 twos are 4. Minus 15 1 by 2 plus 3. Now next term 12 into 1, it's going to be 12 by 4, or we can cancel it. If I cancel this 12 and this 4 3s are 12, so I'll get 3 minus 15 ones are 15 by 2 plus 3. Are you understanding how we are doing this? Now 2 has to be taken as the LCM. So if I take 2
Yes,
as the
sir.
LCM, huh?
सर मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया सेकंड वाला.
Okay, I'll again explain it. No issues. See, this step, did you understand this step? Just the substitution. Okay. Now,
Yes.
with this 4, I cancelled this. 4 3s are 12. So I got 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Now this 15 into the, only the numerator has to be multiplied. So 15 के साथ 1 multiply करेंगे तो 15 आएगा. 15 by 2 आएगा. Plus 3. That's it. Okay. उसके बाद ये जो 2 है, ये एक ही डिनोमिनेटर है हमारे पास 2. तो इस 2 को हमको कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर मतलब एलसीएम लेंगे इसका. ठीक है. तो जब इसका एलसीएम लेंगे तो इसके नीचे कुछ भी नहीं मतलब 1 है. इसके नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 है. ओके.
Yes.
तो अब यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में 3 है. 3 इंटू 1 और 2. 1 से 2 को डिवाइड करो. ओके. सो 1 2s are 2. So 2 has to be multiplied with this. Minus 15. अभी इसमें डिवाइड करने की इसमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए बिकॉज 2 1s are 2. दोनों सेम है. जो एलसीएम है और जो हमारा ये इसका डिनोमिनेटर जो है दोनों सेम है तो सेम नंबर ही आएगा. सो 2 1s are 2. एनीवे वी विल राइट इनटू 1. चाहिए तो इनटू 1 लिख लो. 2 1s are 2 आया ना. उसके बाद 3 और 1 2s are 2. दैट मीन्स इसके साथ 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा. क्लियर?
Yes.
अभी स्टेप में 3 2s are 6 minus 15 plus 6 all divided by 2. So that's going to be 12. 6 plus 6 12 minus 15 by 2, which is equal to 16 minus 12 minus 2. 15 is how much? Minus 3. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Note down. Write it fast. Finish writing?
Complete, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now the same question B. In this same question, we have one more question B. That is also simplified. A into A square plus A plus 1 plus 5. Note down this. Is it written?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो इसका solution बनेगा. First, we have to simplify this. That is A into A square plus A plus 1. इसको simplify करेंगे. A into A square, A cube, A into A square plus A into 1, A. So this is it. Okay. So now this is the simplification for this. Do we have plus 5 also? Yes, we have plus 5. So plus 5. Now what we have to substitute here? A is equal to 0, A equal to 1 and A equal to minus 1. So first given as A equal to 0. So let me substitute in this. Instead of A, it should be 0. So 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5. So 0, anything, no, 0 power anything will be 0 only. So this 0, 0, 0. So all this becomes 0. So just we'll have 5. Second question is A equal to 1 has to be substituted. So 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. So here 1 power anything is 1 only. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. So it's going to be 8. Third question is A equal to minus 1. So this you have to be little careful. Minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 1 plus 5. Now 1 power anything is 1 only, but we have a minus sign. So if the power is odd, it will be minus. This I explained in the last class also. If the power is odd, then the negative sign is taken. If we have negative. Okay. Next is 1 square minus 1 square. So 1 square is 1 only, but because if the power is even, so it will be plus 1. If the power is even, then minus will not be taken. Now this third one is just minus 1. Okay, so it will be power is actually there is no power, at least the power is 1. So here this is also an odd power, or simply you see minus 1 is there, don't have to think about the power also, don't think about the power. So minus 1 is there, so let it be minus 1 itself plus 5. Okay, up to this you note down first.
Complete, sir.
सर एक बार पिछली वाला पेज लीजिए.
So is it written?
No, yes sir.
Okay, now this last step I'm doing. Minus 1 plus of 1 plus of minus 1 plus 5. तो यहाँ पे -1, ये तो प्लस ऑलरेडी है, सो प्लस का +1 ही रहेगा, और ये प्लस माइनस विल बी -1. दिस विल बी -1 प्लस माइनस -1. नाउ ये +1 ये -1 कैंसिल कर लें, तो हमें मिलेगा क्या? -1 + 5. ठीक है, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है क्योंकि दोनों अलग अलग, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी 4.
Yes.
Okay, now next. इन तीनों टर्म्स को ऐड करना है. ओके, तो पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे?
सर P into P.
See, first तीनों टर्म्स को हम लोग एक साथ ऐसे लिख लेंगे. ओके, we'll write it because we have to add all these three terms as they told in the question.
Okay.
Now each term inside we have to remove this bracket. एक एक करके bracket remove करना है. तो पहले इसको रिमूव करने से पहले we have to inside one bracket is there that has to be first
P
operated.
square.
Always, huh? So P into P is P square minus P
P
into Q
square.
is PQ
PQ.
minus PQ. Let this be
Q
still in
square.
bracket. और now this
Okay.
second bracket also will remove because इसमें कोई इशू नहीं है, बाहर प्लस का साइन ही है. अगर कोई साइन नहीं है प्लस का साइन है तो प्लस के साइन की वजह से ब्रैकेट का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. सो आई कैन रिमूव द ब्रैकेट. इफ अगर माइनस साइन होता ब्रैकेट के बाहर तो हमको साइन चेंज करना पड़ता. अभी इसमें साइन चेंज की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट यू हैव टू रिमूव द ब्रैकेट. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर भी बाहर
Sir,
प्लस है सो डायरेक्ट रिमूवल कर लेंगे हम लोग. सो Q into Q, Q square
Q
minus
square.
QR,
R.
and this also will be plus. बाहर plus है, so just write that plus. Now third term also R into R, R square minus
R square.
RP. Okay.
सर वो P है क्या?
Yes. That is P.
मुझे
Now
लगा वो
that's
वन
it.
है.
Okay. So now what we have to do? Arrangement before solving it. So just see whether any terms are same here. Do we have any like terms? P. Is there any other P square? No. P square. Then Q square, there is no other Q square, there is no R square. All these terms are unlike terms. So just we have to arrange them and write. And minus PQ, there is no other minus PQ. So just write this minus QR minus RP. That's it. No done.
Okay. Sir, done.
Done, sir.
Sir, done. Complete हो गया.
This is Z, okay? This is Z.
Sir, 2.
Now this has to be multiplied. So 2x into Z. That's going to be 2xz. Okay. Now this minus 2x into x square. 2x square. Next 2x into y minus 2xy. Okay. Now here also directly remove the bracket because there is no outside. There is it is plus sign. The bracket can be directly removed here. Same way here also. 2y into z, 2yz minus 2y square
2y square.
xy. Now arranging the
Yes.
terms. So 2xz minus 2xy. Let me write all this square term later. Minus 2. थोड़ा अरेंज करते टाइम ये देखो कि एक जैसे टर्म एक साथ रहे. ओके. उसके बाद माइनस 2x स्क्वायर. उसके बाद 2 minus 2y square. ओके.
सर यहाँ पर सिर्फ 2xy है ना?
2xy क्या हुआ?
सर दोनों
Okay,
ऐड
दो
कर
बार
सकते
है.
हैं उन दोनों.
Yes, 2 times it is
Yes.
there. 2 times. Okay, so sorry.
4xy.
So this will become minus 4xy. Minus 4xy.
सर पर माइनस माइनस तो एडिशन होता है ना?
Add, but sign is minus, no?
यस. सर डन.
Third question is subtract. So here you have to see it is given subtract. And subtraction में एक और चीज ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो फ्रॉम के बाद वाला जो टर्म होगा वही पहले आएगा. ओके, सो 4l
Yes.
10n minus 3m plus 2l. This has to come first. Then minus subtract means minus sign will come.
3L.
Okay, now just do it. 4 into 10, 40 ln. This will be minus 12 lm. This will be 4 to the 8 l square. Okay, now just put in bracket because बाहर minus sign है तो पहले हम लोग bracket अंदर ही remove कर देते हैं. Then sign will see. So 3l into l, 3l square minus 12 lm plus 5 3 is a 15 ln.
LMN.
Now 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8 l square. Then this minus, because of this minus we have to change all the signs.
Plus हो जाएगा वो.
Plus, this is plus already, so this will become minus 3l square. This is minus, so it will become plus 12 ln. And next term is plus, so that will become minus 15 ln. Okay, write down this. Finish writing?
सर अब इसमें कॉमन टर्म्स है उसे क्या करना है?
Do it. Next step we'll do. First you do this step.
ओके.
Okay, then there are some same terms, similar terms are there. 40 ln and minus 50, 15 ln. So,
LN.
so bring them together.
सर उसे ऐड करना है अभी.
To add it. Just first bring it together, then next step we'll add.
ओके.
Next minus 12 lm plus 12.
सर वो तो कट.
ओके, तो हम डायरेक्टली कट भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अगले स्टेप में कट कर लेंगे, वैसे भी अरेंज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, फिर ये दोनों टर्म को एक साथ लेके आओ. l स्क्वायर माइनस 3l स्क्वायर. बस सारे टर्म्स आ गए ना. अब ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे क्योंकि दोनों सेम टर्म्स है, सेम नंबर है विद डिफरेंट साइन. Now 40 ln minus 15 ln will be 25 ln plus, because 40 is the greater number, and 8l square minus 3l square will be plus 5l square. Okay, note down. Okay, now next question. Sorry, this is not the question. So in this question, you see,
सर वो 4C है क्या?
yes, 4C. ये टर्म से ये दोनों टर्म्स, मतलब यहाँ पे दो टर्म्स है, देखो. ओके, इन दोनों को पहले हमको सॉल्व करना है और उसको बाद में इस टर्म से माइनस करना. तो पहले हम लोग उसका काम कर देते हैं. सो 3a minus b plus c. Only this term first I'm solving because this is not a single term. तो पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर देंगे. ओके, so 3a into a 3a square minus 3ab
लिखेंगे
plus what happened?
2b 2b bracket minus bc plus bc.
What happened? minus 2b into bracket के अंदर a minus b plus c. Okay,
Yes.
this we have done. Now this part, if you see, is going to be minus 2ab. Okay, minus 2b into a, that is ab. Now again minus 2 माइनस माइनस प्लस, ये दोनों माइनस मिला के प्लस हो, प्लस. ठीक है, 2b इंटू बी क्या बनेगा? 2b स्क्वायर बनेगा.
2b square.
उसके बाद फिर माइनस 2b इंटू सी, दैट इज माइनस 2bc. ओके,
2bc.
ठीक है. तो अब हम लोग देखते हैं कुछ कैंसिल हो सकता है क्या यहाँ पे. 3a स्क्वायर और कोई ए टर्म है नहीं है, ए स्क्वायर टर्म है नहीं है, देन 2b स्क्वायर. उसके बाद माइनस 3ab और माइनस 2ab दोनों को मिलाएंगे तो डायरेक्टली कर रहा हूं मैं माइनस 5ab बिकॉज बोथ आर नेगेटिव साइन, should be added. Then 3ac minus 2bc. Okay, note it down. Then so we have simplified this. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया. अब क्या करना है, इस टर्म से जो अभी हमने सिंप्लीफाई किया उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. दैट इज 4c इंटू a माइनस a प्लस b प्लस c. ठीक है, इससे क्या करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे. क्या माइनस करेंगे, ये अभी जो हमको मिला है दिस वन, दैट इज 3a स्क्वायर प्लस 2b स्क्वायर माइनस 5ab प्लस 3ac minus 2bc. Okay, now just do this. 4c into a, that is minus 4ac. Then this 4c into b, that is 4bc plus 4c into c, 4c square. Okay, and now because by outside minus sign is there, change the sign inside the bracket. This will minus will become plus. Plus 5ab, then minus 3ac then plus 2 BC. Okay. Now we'll see what we can do further. अब क्या होगा यहाँ पे सेम टर्म्स है देखो पहले स्क्वायर वाले टर्म्स एक साथ ले लेते हैं या स्क्वायर वाले टर्म्स पहले लें ठीक है एनीवे वी कैन अरेंज इट नो इश्यूज तो यहाँ पे 4c स्क्वायर है -3a स्क्वायर minus 2b square. So all the square terms has been taken. Now minus 4ac. Is there any other minus 4 ac term? Yes, here also one ac term is there. So minus 4ac and minus 3ac will be minus 7ac. Both has to be added because they have same sign. Now bc, here 4bc and here 2bc, so it will be 6bc. And one AB term is there, that is plus 5AB. Note down.
Complete.
Complete.
Okay, then up to this question we'll stop today. Just practice all these things, whatever is taught, because this is algebra. If you don't practice, then later in exam you cannot simply sit and write the exam. So whatever is done till exercise 4.3, one time write and practice it.
Okay.
Okay, bye.